Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete app on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to delete any application on your Apple Watch, come to the app menu and then you press and hold it. You should see the application wiggling. Click on the delete icon on the app. Are you sure you want to delete this particular application? Click on delete. That is going to uninstall or remove the application from your Apple Watch. Again, to uninstall application on your Apple Watch, just go ahead and then grab your iPhone. On your iPhone, locate and open the Watch app. Then on the Watch app page, you want to scroll down until you get to the application you want to uninstall or delete from your Apple Watch. Click on the application, then you should say delete app on Apple Watch. Click on it. A pop will appear that says delete application. Go ahead and click on delete. And then hang on. This is going to delete the application from your Apple Watch and then you are good. So that's exactly how to uninstall or delete app on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.